Welcome to the Gurukul Prep Daily Updates on 27th June. Daily Update 1 Important Day. World MSME Day, 27th June. The United Nations General Assembly established World MSME Day on 27th June in 2017 to raise awareness about the importance of micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises in supporting inclusive and sustainable development worldwide. MSMEs are vital to the global economy because they substantially contribute to economic growth, employment creation, and poverty alleviation. They are considered the backbone of many economies, particularly in developing countries. This year's theme for this day is Leveraging the Power and Resilience of Micro, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises, MSMEs, to accelerate sustainable development and eradicate poverty in times of multiple crises. Daily Update 2 Appointment. Anuj Tyagi appointed MD and CEO of HDFC ERGO General Insurance. Anuj Tyagi has been appointed as HDFC ERGO General Insurance's new Managing Director and CEO. Tyagi will succeed Ritesh Kumar on 1st July. Tyagi has been with the organization since 2008, handling a variety of positions over his tenure. He was promoted to Joint Managing Director in April 2023. Kumar will join the board of ERGO International on 4th October and become the company's new deputy CEO, focusing on Asian growth areas such as China, Thailand, and Singapore. This appointment is subject to administrative approvals and consent of the Supervisory Board of ERGO International. Daily Update 3 Economy. Srinagar named 4th Indian World Craft City by World Craft Council. The World Crafts Council, WCC, a non-governmental organization dedicated to empowering artists and preserving craft traditions worldwide, has designated Srinagar as a World Craft City, WCC. This will likely re-establish Kashmir's centuries-old connections with craft centers in Central Asia and Iran. The renewed prominence for a city with over 4,000 years of written history has focused on a location that has produced masterpieces in various art fields, including shawls, carpets, papier-mâche, and so on. The craft scene witnessed a major change in the 14th century, with the arrival of Persian and Central Asian preachers and artisans. Daily Update 4 National. J.P. Nadda appointed as Leader of the House in Rajya Sabha. J.P. Nadda, the BJP National President and Union Health Minister, has been named the Leader of the House in Rajya Sabha, succeeding party colleague Piyush Goyal, who was sworn in as a Lok Sabha MP after winning the Mumbai North constituency in the recently ended general elections. Goyal was elected as a Rajya Sabha MP on 5th July 2010 and was appointed Leader of the House on 14th July 2021. He was elected as the Lok Sabha MP on 4th June and was sworn in the lower house on 24th June. J.P. Nadda was first elected to Rajya Sabha on 3rd April 2012. Daily Update 5 National. Bureau of Indian Standards introduces new standards to enhance EV safety and quality in India. The Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, issued two new rules to improve the safety of electric vehicles in the L, M, and N categories. L represents two-wheelers, whereas M and N represent four-wheelers and cargo trucks. These new guidelines, known as IS 18590-2024 and IS 18606-2024, focus on the essential components of electric vehicles, buses, and trucks, particularly the powertrain, which comprises components such as the motor and transmission. These standards are crucial in driving the country's transition to a more sustainable, environmentally friendly, and efficient transportation system. Daily Update 6 Defense. Indian Army opened Khalubar War Memorial to tourists in Ladakh. The Indian Army has opened the Khalubar War Memorial in Ladakh to tourists in honor of the heroes of the Kargil War. This inauguration event was part of the Forever in Operations Division's pre-Kargil Vijay Divas activities, as the country is set to mark the 25th anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas on 26 July. Located in the iconic Iron Valley, this memorial honors the valiant efforts and sacrifices of soldiers who struggled to retake the valley during the war. Khalubar, a serene valley near the border, became a focal point during the Kargil War when enemy forces captured it. Daily Update 7, National. Rahul Gandhi appointed leader of opposition in Lok Sabha. Congress Party Secretary K.C. Venugopal announced that Rahul Gandhi has been named leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha. Venugopal stated that the decision on the other office bearers will be made later. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge welcomed the decision, adding that in the 18th Lok Sabha, the House of the People will really reflect the aspirations of the last person standing, with Rahul Gandhi serving as their voice. Several leaders lauded and thanked Rahul Gandhi for accepting the position and hoped he would remain the voice of people in parliament by raising their issues. Daily Update 8, Sports. India wins 11 medals at the U17 Asian Wrestling Championship 2024. India finished their tournament at the Under-17 Asian Wrestling Championships in Amman, Jordan, on a high note. The young Indian contingent won a total of 11 medals, including 4 gold, 2 silver, and 5 bronze. Women wrestlers won all 4 gold medals. Deepanshi in 46 kilograms, Muskan in 53 kilograms, Rajneeta in 61 kilograms, and Mansi Ladha in 69 kilograms all performed in their respective weight divisions to win the gold medal. Raja Bala had to settle for a silver in the 40 kilograms category, despite her valiant efforts. On the men's front, Samarth Gajanan Mahkave bagged a silver medal in the fiercely contested 55 kilograms category. Daily Update 9, Sports. Rohit Sharma becomes first batter to hit 200 sixes in T20Is. Rohit Sharma became the first player in T20I history to hit 200 sixes during the T20 World Cup 2024 Super 8 Group 1 match against Australia at St. Lucia's Dar Sami National Cricket Stadium. Rohit played 41 balls for 92 runs and smashed 8 sixes in the innings, bringing his total to 203 maximums in the game's shortest version. During the innings, the Indian opener also became the second highest six-hitter in T20 World Cup history, surpassing David Warner, 1940, and Jos Buttler, 43. Rohit is second to only Chris Gaile's 63 sixes on that list. Daily Update 10, State. Haryana government increases reservation for OBC category from 15% to 27%. Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini has announced a rise in the yearly income ceiling for creamy layers from 6 lakh rupees to 8 lakh rupees, claiming that it will bring significant benefits in employment for the OBC category. Saini addressed attendees at the OBC Morcha Sarv Samaj Samrastha Sammelan in Gurugram. The move comes months before the Haryana Assembly elections, which are expected to be placed in October. The Chief Minister also announced that the reservation for the backward classes in Group A and Group B posts, currently at 15%, will be increased to 27%, in line with the central government's policy.